Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking in who you are writing for and the persona you want. Explain why. Audience shapes vocabulary, tone, and pacing. Persona guides word choices. Once done, give the model 3 short examples showing desired phrasing and 1 explicit constraint like avoid jargon or use contractions. Make sure to set sentence length ranges and a simple prompt template so the AI starts producing human-like drafts immediately. You now shape cadence and voice. Vary sentence length to mimic natural speech, placing short sentences for emphasis and longer ones for explanation. Explain why. Rhythm conveys personality and keeps attention. Make sure to prefer active verbs and concrete nouns so images form quickly. Once you apply colloquial turns and a few rhetorical questions, the text will sound lived in. Balance imperfections so it feels human without losing clarity or credibility. You finish by testing and polishing. Read the output aloud to catch stilted rhythm and unnatural stress. Note where to shorten or expand sentences. Then a /b test 2-3 prompt variants and gather quick feedback from real readers. Once done, iterate. Tweak persona notes, swap words for concrete examples, and simplify instructions. If things go wrong, use this troubleshooting tip. Deliberately add 1 small imperfection or colloquialism.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.